Good morning, afternoon or evening everyone. Coming for a nice spot of yoga. Wherever you are in the world today, hopefully you can find a few benefits from today's session. We're going to start with a nice grounding, so just finding a comfortable seated position, having your legs however you wish, rolling the shoulders down and back, closing the eyes and just taking a moment to become present on the mat in this time. And just starting to breathe, noticing the breath, taking a nice inhale and exhale, lowering chin to chest, taking a slow, controlled head roll over to the left ear to left shoulder, and traveling all the way around. Taking one more in this direction, noticing how the body feels, keeping a nice tall spine. When your chin next meets chest, taking the other direction, right ear to right shoulder, and traveling around. Becoming aware of the whole entire body as you take one more slow head roll. And when your chin next meets chest, rising back up to center, bringing hands lightly to heart, bowing the head and setting an intention if you wish. Opening the eyes, we are going to come to the front of our mat, removing any props that may be around you, having a nice clean area. And on the inhale, arms come up overhead, and exhale, we're going to take a few forward folds, bending the knees if you need to. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, folding all the way forwards. Inhale, arms come up. We'll do two more. Exhale, fold. Weight slightly in the toes. Inhale, up to sky. Exhale, fold. Taking one breath here. Inhale, arms come up to sky, and exhale, hands beside you. Taking a nice big long step back with your right foot, and then lowering it down, coming into your warrior two, keeping the 90-degree bend in your left knee. On the exhale, bringing the right arm up and over, extended side angle. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, extended side angle, keeping a nice line from the fingertips to the toes. Maybe rotating that right shoulder back a little, keeping those legs nice and sturdy. Inhale, back up to your warrior two. Bringing both legs straight, pivoting the feet round, setting up for warrior two, right side, 90-degree bend in your knee. And then exhale, extended side angle, bringing that left arm up and over. Inhale, center. Exhale, extended side angle again. Maybe taking that left shoulder a little further back, reaching up and dropping those shoulders away from ears. Inhale, back up to center, pivoting all the way around, stepping to the front of your mat, mountain pose. Rolling the shoulders down and back. Taking a tree pose now, so shifting the weight into your left foot, finding your preferred position for your right. So either having it on your ankle, your calf, or your thigh, just keeping it away from your knee area. Bringing hands to heart center. And when you feel steady, inhale, arms come up to sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, hands to sky. Exhale, hands to heart, holding here for 2 breaths. And exhale, lowering down, shifting the weight into your right foot and finding the same placement preferably as before. So either ankle, calf or thigh. Pushing the foot into the leg and the leg lightly into the foot, drawing up through your spine, bringing hands to heart center, finding your focal point. Inhale, hands come up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale up. Exhale, heart, holding for 2 breaths. Exhale, releasing that leg down. And then making our way to a few cat-cows. Inhale, arms come up to sky. Exhale, forward fold. Stepping the left foot followed by the right, taking your down dog. Really pedaling out the knees. And just finding those hips and taking them all the way up to the sky. And then exhale, lowering the knees down to the mat. Inhale, lower the belly down. Coming into cow pose. Exhale, curling, drawing the stomach up to the spine for cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. From here, releasing the hips all the way back, taking your extended child's pose, and just completely resting here for 2 breaths. Walking the hands back to the knees, rolling up through that spine, bringing the legs all the way around, lowering your back down to the mat, very nice and gently, and then just placing the hands lightly underneath your hips, bringing your feet up for legs up the wall. So facing the feet to the sky, relaxing the body here, maybe closing the eyes as we just take 4 breaths, allowing that flow to redirect for a moment or 2. On your next exhale, releasing the hands, bringing the knees into chest, nice squeeze. And then extending the legs, come out long, rolling over onto your front. And we are going to set up for bow pose. So bringing the hands and taking them around, holding onto the ankles or the feet. Keeping the feet about hip distance apart, and on the inhale, rising the chest, and pushing the feet into the hands, just coming up as far as is comfortable. Exhale, releasing everything down. Again, feel free to alter any pose or take a different pose if this one doesn't suit your body today. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, releasing down. Releasing the hands, taking them and pushing everything back, coming to child's pose. Resting here for a few breaths. Walking the hands back, curling that spine back up to center. And then spinning the legs around, coming to a comfortable seated position. From here, bringing the left foot up to wherever is comfortable. It could be down on your calf, it could be up on your thigh, and just you can pack underneath your knee if you need to. Inhaling, arms come up to sky. Exhale, hinging forwards, forward fold. Inhale, hands come up to sky. And exhale, fold. Inhale, hands to sky, lowering the hands down, changing those feet over. So bringing the right foot into wherever is comfortable, keeping the sit bones nice and grounded, nice tall spine, shoulders away from ears. Inhale, arms come up to sky. Exhale, folding from the hips, releasing down. Inhale, up to sky. Exhale, folding down. Inhale, hands come up to sky, releasing the hands down, making your way all the way down to your mat. And we're going to come into a nice Shavasana, releasing the legs out long, palms facing up, and just resting the whole body here. Releasing any control of breath, releasing any tension in the body, and just taking a few moments of stillness. Inviting the legs to be heavy, the hips to release and relax, the stomach to soften, the chest to relax, arms to get heavy, shoulders to release and relax. Relaxing the cheeks, the forehead. Allowing your whole entire body to be heavy and melt into the mat. Settling the mind with the breath. Letting the thoughts release. letting the body shift, let go and change as needed. Bringing some gentle movement back into fingers. Inhale, taking a stretch of your choice. And then very slowly making your way to a comfortable seated position. Taking a nice deep inhale. Exhale, hands lightly to heart, bowing the head to the heart. And just taking a moment to link the breath, the body, the mind, the soul. Namaste, thank you for coming. We'll see you soon.